So welcome to tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to convert HTML5 template into Angular. There is always this kind of requirement when you purchase any template, HTML template, then you need to integrate the same design into your Angular application. So in this video, I will show you a demo that how you can convert your HTML file into Angular application. So I have this file and I will give this URL into video description. So let's download it. This is very basic HTML file. Okay, so I will show you how to convert this HTML into Angular. So let's do one thing. Let's create here a new application, ng new HTML to Angular. Press enter and enter. Okay, so finally it got installed. Now our file name is cd HTML to Angular, right? So what is the file? This is our project name, cd. Okay, now we will create this header, then menu 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 components, right? Now let's go here, then ngc header. So we are creating this component, this whole header component. ngc header, gc will be separate, header. Okay, header is created. Now menu, then left, right, center. Then footer. That's it. So these are the components that we will be requiring. Now in the meantime, let's close it and open that folder. So our project is inside here. So this is our folder, select folder. Here you can see in the src app we have header, footer, left, right, menu. This time what we will do, let's go here and then copy css and images, control C, okay, and then let's go to src, then assets. So here we will we need to go here actually. src, then assets, paste here, images in css. Okay, and then the next step will be double click on this and control U, that means view source, then control A, control C, that means completely copy it. Now what we will do, let's go to app component, then app HTML, just delete everything and paste here. Okay, so actually we need to paste from main to main, that means excluding this body, this and this. Why? Because as you know, if you have followed my last video, I have shown you that actually the page loads here, where index.html here, right? So there is already this section there, body and body. So our application will load here only. That is why we are not writing that. Okay. And now here to load CSS, we will write link rel style sheet then href assets slash css style.css. Okay, so we are including our style.css into our application here. Okay, so now let's run the application. npm start. Okay, so our application is compiled. Now let's check into browser. Yes, you can see the design is as it is. CSS is loading perfectly. So now we need to call these images. So let's go here and then let's close this index.html, and here we need to write assets slash images. So this is font. Okay, let's close it. So assets images, now let's check. Yes, as you can see, images are showing here. So similarly, you need to put assets everywhere wherever there is image. So if you have 2-3 CSS, then you can paste all CSS inside assets folder here, and all images or JS file you can put here. That's it. Now you can see this structure is ready into our Angular. Now you can separate this header, footer, left, right, center. So how you can do that? So suppose this is header section, right? So just copy this header to this navigations. Just cut it and then let's go to header, then HTML, paste, and now let's check its selector. So header, this is the header. So here we need to call its selector. That's it. You can see the structure is same, no difference. Similarly, if you want to cut here, left bar, then just cut it, and then, or you can cut the whole thing here, so it will be app left. Okay, so left this HTML, and then you can see here left component, same app left. Alright, so now left and right, there is nothing in this, but still if you want to cut here, so it will be app right. Let's go to right and simply paste here. Right is complete. Now center section, so just let's cut it and app center, then go to its center section, center, where is it? Yes, center section, and finally this is footer, so app footer, now footer, that's it. And I think in header we need to separate this navigation. This will be inside menu, so we have one menu also, so let's paste into menu, and then inside app component, where is app component? Here. So after header we can write app menu. So that's the compact structure of our app component, and we are calling, now you can see somewhere div, where app component of HTML line number 15, here somewhere, this footer, this content left, okay, app left, I believe this is additional, so this content left is this and this, so let's check. Yes, that's fine. So you can see we have separate component, header, menu, left, center, right, and footer component, and combined together here. So guys, as you can see, it's very easy to integrate HTML5 into your Angular application. So hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.